Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our bigger friend will guide you, walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into SurveyMonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, either for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So first of all you have to do is click over register with his email address or free registration, or you can use other option like Apple or Google. Once you do that and you write your email address and your password and you get your confirmation on your Gmail, you'll find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. What you want to do. First, we have start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then you have here use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have your build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. So you have just to choose between that. So I will choose the first one and then you will find this page. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, you have to sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. As you can see, but before I will give you how you can use it. So you can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your surveys by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, review your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the collect responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey via email, link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these tips, you will be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So right now I will show you these steps how you can do that. First of all, you have to click over create survey. Once you do that, you will find this page, and here we have first edit and we have options. Let's start with options. So we have a number of choices. Respondent must answer. I will click over at most 4. Then we have display this error message when this question is not answered. So I write here. Then we have add custom feedback to question. Correct answer here. That's what I'm talking about. Well done. Then we have incorrect answer here. Can't win them all next time. Then we have partially correct answer. You can just write whatever you want. Then we have a change the layout for how choices are displayed. We have 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, horizontal also. Then we have here randomize, sort, or float choices. Does not apply to agree or no one or the above answer choices. You have randomized choices. Then you have here to not flip the last answer choice, adjust question layout, question placement, search question on a new row or place the next of previous. We have here question with here percent. For example, 80%. We have question space and I will choose E2, 2, 2, and also here I will choose 2. Then about this one we have 4. We write 2 also. Then you have enable question text EB test. Then you click over save and also you click over next question. Then you have your edit. We have your A under your question again. You can add another question if you want. And to write your question. Then we have your answer choice, for example, how many choices. Then we have, I will choose 12, here we have 11, then we have 10 here. Then we have score this question, add another answer option or comment field. Then you have display an answer choice, display as comments. Then you have size here, how many characters also, how many lines. Then you have validation here, and here we have when the answer is invalid, display this error message. Then we have your label also, add another one of the above answer option. You have how many points, and then you click over save. Then you have your style also, we have settings and themes. Choose here the background, as you can see. For example, I choose this one. Then we have settings also here, logo, footer, background. Then we have question here. Recommended question previously, options also, survey title, exit, and you have a lot of settings that you have to modify it. Also we have title here and other things like style, logic, options, question bank, format, page features, print, as you can see. On the scap here, portrait, we have paper size. You click over download PDF here. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been helpful. See you again in the next video. And you have also to read this information to understand about how to work with SurveyMonkey, and also about pricing and other things. So see you in another video, guys.